Hello everyone. Hope you all are doing great. Today we are going to dig into the delicious royal bite. I mean the Shahi Tukda or double ka meetha. I had tasted this delicacy for the first time ever in my life on a flight. Since then, I'm in love with this dessert as well as that flight. Though this dessert has its unique royal flavor, this can be prepared effortlessly with the basic minimum available ingredients. Without further ado, let's get started. This dessert has a crunchy texture which is complemented by the thick, juicy, scrumptious rabdi and the nutty flavor of the dry fruits like almonds and pistachio. The saffron strands give it a distinct color and flavor. Welcome to my channel, The Ideas. If you are new here, then do consider subscribing. This dish has 4 steps of preparation. First, the rabdi preparation, then the sugar syrup preparation, followed by frying the bread pieces, and finally plating. Let's start. First, for the rabdi preparation, take 2 cups of fresh full fat milk. Pour the milk into a pan. Keep the flame on medium to low and bring the milk to a boil. Add a few strands of saffron. Keep stirring the milk till it reduces to half. Also, keep scraping the cream from the sides of the pan. When it thickens, add 2 tablespoons of sugar into it and cook for another 2 to 3 minutes. Then switch off the flame and let it cool down. Our rabdi is ready. Refrigerate for 2 to 3 hours. Now, let's prepare the sugar syrup. Add 1/4 a cup of sugar into a pan. Also, add 1/4 a cup of water into the pan. Add a pinch of cardamom powder. Lastly, add few saffron strands. Bring it to a boil till it reaches 1 to 2 string consistency. Now, let's fry the bread pieces. Cut 2 bread slices diagonally into 2 halves as shown in the video. Add some clarified butter into a frying pan. Heat the pan on medium flame. Then, one by one, deep fry the bread pieces till they turn golden brown. Ensure to cook both sides evenly. Once it is done, keep them aside. Now, let's plate everything. Pour the warm sugar syrup into a bowl. One by one, soak the fried bread pieces into the sugar syrup and place them on a plate. Ensure that the syrup is warm and the bread pieces aren't soaked for too long. This ensures that the bread pieces remain crispy as well as they don't soak too much sugar syrup. Now let's pour the thick luscious rabdi over it. This rabdi looks simply delicious and mouth-watering. Finally, garnish it with almond and pistachio slivers along with some saffron strands. As you bite into it, enjoy and cherish the royal mouth-watering flavors. Hope you enjoyed this video. Do hit the subscribe button. See you soon. Until then, Vidya signing off.